What up, Blockchain Nation? What up, YouTube? Thank you for taking the time to subscribe to my channel. Welcome to All Things Blockchain. So, thank you for taking the time to watch this. If you subscribed already, you're far too kind. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button so that you can get weekly notifications whenever we release videos. Make sure you hit the bell button so that you get weekly notifications. Actually, you can't get weekly notifications if you don't hit the bell button. So make sure you hit that bell button now. Have you done that? Do that. You done? You done? You sure? All right. All right, welcome. So today I'm just going to talk about DTUBE. A lot of people know about DTUBE, a couple of people don't know about DTUBE. Either way, I'm just going to give you my perspective on DTUBE and show you how it works, basically. If you do not have a DTUBE or Steemit account yet, there are videos, so many videos out there that you can log in, you can find on YouTube on how to create a Steemit or DTUBE account. This is not one of them. This is just showing you how to use it, but you can, I'll probably try and put a link of a channel that you can go to or a link that you can create a DTUBE or Steemit account. So basically, what really is Steemit? Steemit is cool. It's a social media platform that is actually runs on the blockchain. So like with YouTube and other social media platforms, let's say you want to be a content creator like myself and you want to start your own channel on YouTube, which is great. YouTube rewards you, you get paid from YouTube by doing a lot of things. So quickly, you got to get this book. It's called YouTube Secrets. So if you plan on being a content creator on YouTube, make sure you get that book. It talks about different ways you can make money on YouTube. Anyways, one of those ways is through advertising. So YouTube pays you if you have like 1,000 subscribers and a certain amount of watch hours, then you begin to make money from YouTube. If I can show you that real quick. This is my channel, so I'm just going to show you the ins and outs. So if you're a content creator, you probably have this access to this as well. And if you don't create content on YouTube, why not? You can start stuff. You can start talking about what you love, which is exactly how I started. So if we go to dashboard, you're a content creator on YouTube. As you can see, this is my own dashboard. You can see this is my watch time, and as of this recording, this is how many. Okay, no, this is my last. Okay, here we go. So these are total number of views and subscribers. So to make money on YouTube, you have to have I have to check it. I'm sure that's somewhere about anyways, you have to have about 1,000 subscribers and have a certain number of watch hours. So for a video that has about 1 million views, you probably get, I don't know, it averages from $2,000 to $10,000. You can probably for that video due to ad revenue. Anyways, I'm saying that to say this. So with Steemit and this other social media platforms that run on the blockchain like DTUBE, which is pretty much the same company, you get paid basically for sharing your content, which is so cool. So imagine you're a content creator out there, you create content, and then the community, like the Steemit community, likes your pictures or likes your whatever content you create. You can get rewarded with Steemit tokens, which is so cool. So if I go to like CoinMarketCap, this is Steem. Steem, it's its own currency, its own community. As you can see, it has a $84 million valuation, and the price is very, very low. Circulating supply of, let's see, this 329 million units as a total supply. And this is the circulating supply, which is interesting. So you can actually earn Steemit by sharing content on. You can actually earn Steem, which is the currency for Steemit, by sharing content on their platform, which I think is so cool. So I'll just show you that. If you see the FAQs, it says, how does Steemit work? Steemit is one of the many websites, including DTUBE, BZ.org, Ethiopian, that are powered by the Steem blockchain and Steem cryptocurrency. All of these websites read and write content to the Steem blockchain, which stores the content in an immutable blockchain ledger. So if you see, how does Steemit differ from other social media websites? Is because Steemit believes that the users of the platform should receive the benefits and rewards for their attention and the contributions that they make to the platform. Now, not knocking YouTube. YouTube is great. I love YouTube. YouTube, I mean, you're uploading free videos. There are over I don't know, 300,000 uploads on YouTube by content creators like myself every single day. So YouTube has to spend millions of dollars on data, on servers, on building large data farms. So that has to be run somehow. So they have to make money somehow. And what they figured out is by doing advertising, which is fine. I'm not knocking YouTube. YouTube is great, please. I love YouTube. But Steemit has a different model. So Steemit, the concept is, hey, why don't content creators get rewarded not necessarily through ads or ad revenue, but from the content and the community liking their videos. So I'll just show you this real quick. So this is I'm in DTUBE. This is my Steemit account. As you can see, I'm logged into Steemit, and I'm also logged into DTUBE as well. So you can actually see, if you create your account, you can see this is my Steemit account, and this is my DTUBE. So am I logged in? Oh, it says I'm not logged in actually, so I have to log in. Click on login. This is very important. Unlike YouTube, that you have a username and password that you can remember, it's a very, very complex password for your Steemit account. So you have to make sure, look at this. Unlike, to secure your account, unlike most social media websites, there is no way to recover your account if you lose your password or your owner key. So because it runs on a blockchain, it's a very technical encrypted key that you must save. If you lose that, then I can help you. So let me just show you real quick. So like I said, with Steemit, you get rewarded for the content that you produce. So like, let's take an example. I have 100 test coins, which I can use, but I'm not going to use them in this case. But basically, now let me show you something real quick, how to upload a video on DTUBE. So I click on here, upload. So I can either upload my video file, which might be saved on my local machine. I'll just click on here to upload. Same way you upload on YouTube, and I can go to where I have my videos, and I can look for a video, blah blah blah, and upload, for instance, all my YouTube videos, other videos from YouTube. So I can pick up one of my YouTube videos from here and say I'm just going to upload it, or I can just put a link from YouTube. So I'll show you. If I come here and I go to YouTube sometime today. You guys need to pray for my laptop, it's so slow. So let's say I go to my channel. Where's my channel? And let's say I want to upload one of my videos onto DTUBE. This is YouTube. Let's say I want to upload, let's look for one. Where do I have? Load more. Let's do this one. How to start a career on blockchain. So I did this 6 months ago. So let's say I want to upload this onto DTUBE. What I would just do is I would say share. I would copy this. You can go on DTUBE, and I'll just paste the link. So DTUBE is kind of dependent on YouTube. So if YouTube goes down, a lot of videos that are connected on DTUBE will go down as well. So, but anyways, so I click here and I say upload. I'm saying something really cool. So here it goes. Promote your video by burning. I can burn some of my test coins to promote my video. So let's say I want to, sorry, I pick a tab. I say crypto tag. It takes all this information from YouTube, which is cool, right? So let's say I want to promote. I say promote video by burning this. So I publish video and burn 0.01 DTUBE coins. So let's see what that looks like. So I publish my video. This is taking a few seconds to do. Voila! I have published my videos, how to start a career in blockchain, and now this is on DTUBE. Now let me show you something cool. So if I go to DTUBE and like it's a blockchain and I say new videos, well, this is not supposed to work this way. When I say new videos, let me refresh this. Come on, here you go, how to start a career in blockchain. Isn't that so cool? So I uploaded my video right now on DTUBE, and already it's a blockchain. It uses the blockchain concept. Now if I post a video on YouTube right now, it's not going to go to the top of the stack. As you can see, YouTube is very, very, very competitive. I mean, I can just go to, let's see, I go to what, let me pick something, home. Anyway, it shows videos based on definitely what based on my subscription, and it also recommends some videos based on my search, which is interesting. But DTUBE works differently. I like the fact that I just posted a video right now, and it automatically is on the chain, and it's so cool. So if you'll see, for some reason this video, it says daily sex and not to be forget the title, but see my point. Already it's earned 6.18 DTUBE coins because a lot of people are watching it. If you go to trending videos, I'm sure it's one of the trending videos. Here we go. So you see all these videos already are earning money, which is so cool. It has nothing to do with advertising, has nothing to do with you know, trying to look for different ways to beat the algorithm like in YouTube. Basically based on the community and what people like watching and what people like this video has 408,000 likes already. It's earned some DTUBE coins. This video, I don't know how many likes, 331,000 likes. It has 6.8 DTUBE coins. So that's so cool. The community decides what videos get promoted and what videos get money, which is so cool. So I mean, YouTube is great. I love YouTube and it's wonderful, but it would be great if we could have a DTUBE YouTube combination whereby we get all the benefits of YouTube and we can get that on DTUBE, because there are a lot of limitations on DTUBE. First of all, it's a small community of developers. You can actually see the code is open source. You can check it out on GitHub if that's your thing, and it was built entirely in JavaScript, as you can see. But YouTube, I mean, YouTube it's a huge community. It's a huge, you can get a job working at YouTube. They hire so many programmers and they have a lot of people who are working on their stuff. So that's why they have a more interesting interface for content creators and for people who just like watching stuff on YouTube. You know, it's different. But now for you to make real money on YouTube, you have to know this guy's like, let me see, what is this guy? KC, what's his name? KC Neistat. You can see he has 11 million subscribers. So on a video that has 2.2 million views, he probably gets, I don't know how much, because you get paid on YouTube, or you make money on YouTube based on your views, and you know, and there are other ways to make money on YouTube, but definitely you won't have millions and millions of views. But before you get to millions and millions of views, you have to do a lot of hard work. But the great thing about DTUBE is if you have good content and people actually like your content, you can already start making small change, as you can see here. So this is just showing you basically that YouTube is cool, DTUBE is cool, and that you can try it out as a content creator. You can start looking for ways to make a little bit of money. And what will just be great is if the Steemit price, which is like, what's it? I'm not saying that it's going to, but the Steemit price is, where is Steemit? Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. I had this open a second ago. So where's the Steemit? Steemit is Steam coins. Here we go. It's 0.25. What's a quarter? Less than $1. Now imagine you're making videos on DTUBE, and all of a sudden in the next 5, who knows, 10 years, the price of Steemit goes to $1,000 for one token, and you're making content on Steam, and years later it generates enough tokens. That would really be cool, you know. So YouTube is great, love YouTube. DTUBE too is great. Both have their pros and cons. One of the cons of YouTube is that you really have to do a lot of hard work, and I have no problem doing hard work. You work hard, we work hard, all of us work hard at what we do to get that kind of those kind of views. Like this guy has 20,000 views. How to get 10,000 subscribers, 377,000 views. So when you're at 100,000 subscribers, like let's see, Roberto Blake, he has how many subscribers? 416,000 subscribers, dude. Now I'm sure he's making good money from YouTube. But with DTUBE, you know, a very interesting community that's growing. It doesn't have enough developers, so the interface has a couple of issues, like, you know, so you see all the options you have. You can watch later, you can see new videos and trending videos, whatever, unlike YouTube that has a more robust interface of different things that you can do. So that's DTUBE. This is YouTube. Tell me what you think, and go ahead, create an account, watch. Let me see where my video is now. Let's see, new videos. So people upload all the time. So I'm still here 6 minutes ago. No new videos yet. But let me see. Can I upload another video now? Let's try and upload one more. So if I go to my channel, let me look for one of the videos. that I want to upload. Let me upload this one. Let's upload this video. Let's go change the world. So if I pause this, I say share, I copy this, I go to DTUBE and I say upload. I put this here. Like I said, I can actually upload the actual video file, or I can just go to YouTube and it takes all this information straight from YouTube, which is so cool. Tag, I can't pick my own tags, which is interesting. I call it crypto, upload snap, publish video. And voila, video is published. Just like that. So the only drawbacks is I can't schedule my uploads. Unlike YouTube, I can't schedule my uploads. So what just happened now? So if I go to new videos, what's going on? Did you upload? Come on. New videos. So that's my 7 minute. Okay, somebody else has uploaded something a few seconds ago. So it's like a blockchain, you know? You use this blockchain concept. It picks videos and it arranges them in blocks. All right, so go ahead, create an account on DTUBE and also on Steemit. Same concept too. Here on Steemit, you can put, like how you have, this is like the Instagram of blockchain, where you post pictures and your pictures, if they get liked, the community likes them. You see, like this President Trump on the Steemit, but whatever this is, has already gained $0.02. So a good way to work hard as a content creator and get rewarded for what it is that you do. So YouTube is great. DTUBE is great. Why don't you create an account and let us know what you think. Till next time, my wish for you is that you learn about blockchain technology, because blockchain is changing and will change the world. And those who get involved early, in my personal opinion, will greatly impact the future. And if that's you, then let's go change the world.